Welcome to Quick Tips, where today we're going to look at how to transpose data, meaning how to convert rows into columns and columns into rows. So let's take this table in Excel as an example. Here we have sales individuals by the amount of sales that they've had in a set of months. However, we got a new sales manager and they want to see the sales in columns instead of being in rows. Now, we could copy and paste this manually, but that'd be very time consuming, especially if we had potentially years worth of data or we had potentially hundreds of sales representatives. So the quick fix is to select the data that you want to transpose. You're going to copy it. You can either choose Control C or you can right click and copy. And now we're going to go to our new tab, months by column. I'm going to right click in a cell that I want to insert, say paste special. This is going to open up a new window. I'm going to check the transpose checkbox, click OK. And now my sales amounts are in columns instead of by rows. I can also transpose the other direction from columns into rows. I'm going to copy with Control C this time, and I'm going to paste this into the same sheet. Right click, paste special, click on the transpose checkbox, and click OK. Once my columns are all large enough, you can now see the data in a series of rows for the months of data. This is especially useful if I have one or two very long rows and I want to convert them to columns to be easier to read by scrolling up and down versus moving left and right. And that is how you transpose data within Excel.
If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have questions that you want to know how to do that, remember to ask them down in the comments section.